Hi! On the Woodpecker this time, I will show you how I did this simple TV stand. My daughter gave me her old TV, so right away I thought of bringing it to my cottage to watch my favorite shows. But first, I need to build a wall support to replace the TV stand. I start by drawing an elaborate plan. I'm using my scrap of laminated hardwood floor for this, and I cut them straight. When I have enough wood to make the support, I cut all the fingers on all the pieces at the same time. I cut one piece in half to put the fingers on both sides. When all the fingers are done, I cut the pieces the right width. On one of the side pieces, I draw the side pattern and I cut the four sides to their length. Then, I cut all the 45 degrees angle on all the side pieces. I then drill the holes for the support pivot. On the back of the TV, I find all the measurement for the wall support. I just need to mark where I should drill the first hole. I mark all the holes and I drill them. I also drill the holes for the wall hanging piece. I sand the interior of the support to erase the lines I made. I put glue between each finger and I hammer them in place with a mallet. While the glue dries, I cut a block for the interior of the wall piece and I drill a hole in the center. Now that the glue is dry, I sand the protruding fingers. On the part which is fixed to the TV, I drill shallow holes to recess the washers. On the wall hanging part, I round the exterior so it can pivot. I put black dye on all the pieces. I cut a threaded rod which will lock the support angle. When the dye has dried, I put a coat of shellac on all the pieces. It's now time to try the support. I screw one part to the TV and the other to a scrap piece of wood. I put everything together with the threaded rod and tighten it. Everything works fine. Now it's the real test, installing it on my cottage wall. Here's my new TV set with its wall hanging support on the wall of my cottage. Thank you for watching and see you next time for another episode of The Woodpecker.